Everybody pay heed to my Jew.
Cavalo,
You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the biju.
Just Prince.
My Jew la baju.
I really do. She called my heart, my head chakra. I started going crazy. Like back and buy you all. That time with me, you showing me loving. You showing me loving. Anything you want from me, I will be an ATM. We can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Maybe we can follow a place.
Hello, my loyal royalty, and welcome back to yet another motivational video. So, in today's video, I am in my kitchen again because this is my playground, guys, and I just want my playground to be neat and tidy and presentable always. And right now, the state that this kitchen is in is not presentable at all. There are some groceries, some meat, some drinks all over the place. There's some dishes that we've used this afternoon. We've just come from getting some vegetables for the fridge, and that fridge needs to be cleaned as well, guys. So I have a lot of stuff to do in today's video, and I hope that you are going to join me as we make our spaces fit for royalty, because we are royalty over here. So yeah, I also managed to buy some cabinet organizers and some fridge organizers. So I'm just going to start by clearing off the dishes that are dirty at this moment. Then after that, I'm just going to clean all the new stuff that I've bought, which are the storage organizers and the fridge organizer, so that they are clean and ready to be used. So yeah, guys, if you have any work that you've been procrastinating to do, this is your sign to get up and make your space fit for royalty. Those places that you just saw me show on the screen are very new, and I'm in love with them. Without wasting much of your time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I know there are people, there are returning viewers who haven't subscribed yet. Please do better. I cannot stress this enough. So yeah, guys, enjoy the rest of this video. Oh, and to my premium gang, welcome back.
Such a shame you had to meet me on a day like this. I think I've gone insane, crossing names right off my drop dead list. They won't be missed. Am I turning sour? Used to be so sweet. If confidence is power, then it's all in me. I feel it taking over up and under my skin. Usually a baddie, but today I'm just you should leave. Don't wanna hear the things I'm about to say. I used to bite my tongue, but I don't think we're better off that way. In shades of gray. I feel it taking over up and under my skin. today. I'm just wearing the crown, yeah. Clap your hands and scream it real, oh yeah. Usually a baddie, but today I'm just got a man who ain't hard to please. We're together, it's like ecstasy. It's heaven sent, and I know that it was meant to be. And I love it when you hold me, love it when you squeeze me, love it when you kiss me slowly. Whenever I'm down inside, you just hold me tight and let me know it'll be alright. And now I'm seeing brighter days ever since the day you came my way. And I'm not ever letting go, gonna keep giving you all my loving. And I just want.
So due to the small space in my kitchen, my sink especially, I had to wash and dry and put away, wash, dry and put away, so that I get space for new dishes to be washed. So that's why you guys see me washing dishes and then drying them, and then a new batch comes in. So yeah, I was trying to make the most of my space.
And now that I've got you, baby, our love is like ooh, crazy. See, can't nobody love me like you. I'll climb the highest heights for you. And whenever you need me, baby, you can call me, and I'll come running right to you. We made a vow through thick and thin. You plus me, baby, equals when
Everybody pay heed to my Jew.
Cavalli,
You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the Bijou.
Just Prince.
My Jew la Baju.
I really do. She called my heart, my head chocolate. I started going crazy. Like I can buy you all. That time with me, you showing me loving. You showing me loving. Anything you want from me, I will be an ATM. We can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can follow our place. I throw your penny on my head. I get the ball head, sir. Man, you bad, da-da-da. I bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change a pole fair, da-da-da. Man, you bad, da-da-da. Forget. I'm a say I too bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change a pole fair, da-da-da. Troublemaker. We troublemaker.
We troublemaker.
We causing trouble.
Yeah.
We staring trouble. When they see you, they talking. When they see me, they talking. The how you looking? Like Christina say, oh, we can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can follow our place. I throw your penny on my head. I get the ball head, sir. Man, you bad, da-da-da. I bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change a pole fair, da-da-da. Man, you bad, da-da-da. Forget. I'm a say I too bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change a pole fair, da-da-da. Man, you bad, da-da-da. I bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change a pole fair, da-da-da. Man, you bad, da-da-da. Forget. I'm a say I too bad, da-da-da. The two bad, da-da-da. We make it change a pole fair, da-da-da. We can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can follow our place. I throw your penny on my head. I get the ball head, sir.
We can spend money, yo. We can waste money, yo. Baby, we can follow our place. I throw your penny on my head. I get the ball head, sir. Everybody pay heed to my Jew. You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the Bijou. My Jew la Baju. Everybody pay heed to my Jew. You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the Bijou. My Jew la Baju.
So I'm done with the dishes and I'm now moving on to the fridge. So we need to clean it. So I'm just using some water with bicarbonate of soda and some vinegar. Yes. So you guys see that side, the side of the fridge where there's like dog food and all that. I need to like sort of arrange those things well, because right now they have nowhere to go really, because they need to be sent somewhere. So that's the only spot that they can be in. So yeah, besides that, I'm just cleaning my fridge so that we get ready to do this fridge organization. I only managed to get like 2 fridge organizers, and I'm just going to see how I'm going to utilize those 2. I think over time we'll be able to get more storage organizers. What I'm left with, I know, is some milk storage containers and egg storage containers. So yeah, slowly we'll get there. Slowly this kitchen project will come around. Thank you so much for watching up until this time. I love and appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for your support. And if you guys saw my community post where I told you guys that my phone is dead, this footage is what I managed to gain back or restore. Hopefully we'll get more of the footage soon, but I'm just happy that at the end of the day I was able to get this. I had 2 extra footages that I shot long back, but it's not what I want to put out there yet. So yeah, I'm glad that I managed to get or restore this footage. And the next one that you will see if we restore the other footage is me doing pantry organization with the baskets that I bought. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting Mrs. C. Thank you for being royalty. You are so precious, my loyal royalty. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Like, comment, share so that our videos get a wider coverage. Yeah, continue watching.
Everybody pay heed to my Jew.
Cavalli,
You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the beat you.
Just Prince.
My Jew la baju.
I really do. She called my heart, my head chocolate. I started going crazy. Like I can buy you, oh. That time with me, you showing me loving. You showing me loving. Anything you want from me, I will be at ATM. We can spend money, oh. We can waste money, oh. Baby, we can follow a place. I throw your penny on my head. I got the ball head, sir. My you buy, da-da-da. I buy, da-da-da. Little, buy, da-da-da. We make a church, pull it, da-da-da. My you buy, da-da-da. I'm a sa, I too buy, da-da-da. Little, buy, da-da-da. We make a church, pull it, da-da-da. Troublemaker. We troublemaker.
We troublemaker.
We cussing trouble.
Yeah, yeah.
We staring trouble. When they see you, they talking. When they see me, they talking. The how you looking? Like Christina said, oh, we can spend money, oh. We can waste money, oh. Baby, we can follow a place. I throw your penny on my head. I got the ball head, sir. My you buy, da-da-da. I buy, da-da-da. Little, buy, da-da-da. We make a church, pull it, da-da-da. My you buy, da-da-da. I'm a sa, I too buy, da-da-da. Little, buy, da-da-da. We make a church, pull it, da-da-da. My you buy, da-da-da. I buy, da-da-da. Little, buy, da-da-da. We make a church, pull it, da-da-da. My you buy, da-da-da. I'm a sa, I too buy, da-da-da. Little, buy, da-da-da. We make a church, pull it, da-da-da. We can spend money, oh. We can waste money, oh. Baby, we can follow a place. I throw your penny on my head. I got the ball head, sir.
We can spend money, oh. We can waste money, oh. Baby, we can follow a place. I throw your penny on my head. I got the ball head, sir. Everybody pay heed to my Jew. You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the beat you. My Jew la baju. Everybody pay heed to my Jew. You pay heed to my Jew. Respect the beat you. My Jew la baju.
Not really sure how to say this. Seriously trying to erase this, but I can't seem to get you out. I'm not exactly an angel, but you'd hold the devil with your spell. Boy, it's hard to let you out. You're bad for me, and I know it's getting out of control. Tonight I just might, I won't put up a fight. I'm better being on my own, but I'm tired of being all alone. Come over the night, I won't put up a fight. just run for me and know. Hush, I can be that, whatever you need. Take me wherever you're feeling. Hold me whenever you're willing. You're bad for me, and I know it's getting out of control. Tonight I just might. I won't put up a fight. I'm tired of being on my own, but I'm tired of being all alone. Come over the night. I won't put up a fight. Tonight I'm gonna be unhealthy. Do all the things that tempt me. One more time. Tonight I'm gonna be unhealthy. Drink until the bottles are empty. One more time. Just tonight. Tonight I'm gonna be unhealthy. Do all the things that tempt me. One more time. I'm gonna be unhealthy. Drink until the bottles are empty. One more time. Just tonight. Such a shame you had to meet me on a day like this. I think I've gone insane, crossing names right off my drop dead list. They won't be missed. Am I turning sour? It used to be so sweet. If confidence is power, then it's all in me. I feel it taking over up and under my skin. Usually a baddie, but today I'm just I'm about to say. I used to bite my tongue, but I don't think we're better off.
And this project is done. Half of the project is done. I think on to the next, on to the pantry organization and the cabinet organization, where I have my pots, plates and cups. So this is what I managed to do with what I have, and yeah, it's looking presentable, it's looking neat, it's looking nice. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you for the support. I love you guys, and we'll buy that egg storage container later on, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.